Hey guys, Max Jeffy here, welcome back to another unboxing video. So today we're going to unbox the YoloPark Evangelion Unit 1 model kit, which is 20 centimeters. So as you can see, here it is right here. Here's the front, here's the side, other side and the back, and also if you look inside, here are the instructions and the thank you. If you want to scan this, go ahead. And here are the pieces that are inside. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox it and set it up. Alright guys, here is Evangelion Unit 1 all set up. And I decided to go with these hands right there, as you can see. So yeah, let's see what it looks like with other expressioned hands. And now we'll show you the weapons it came with. So here are two assault knives and a pellet gun. So yeah, and there's also a docking station as well. So to do this, just grab Unit 1, put it in there, put the umbilical cord inside there. Hang on, this will only take a moment. And there we go. And there you have Unit 1 on the stand. So yeah, thanks for watching and peace.